Hello everyone. Take a sheet of paper and tear it out like this with a free hand to make the ground. Now use a pencil to make a shape like this. Now add some grass to it. This is a dried grass. We have made a chicken using it. Wow, such an interesting way of making chicken, right? Now make the legs of the chicken like this. Now take the peanut shell and make the small chicks of those chicken that we made. These are the baby of this chicken, right? Now add some grass to the ground, make a sun and some clouds on the sky. Now take some leaf of red color and arrange them in a flower-like pattern. Now take a circle, make the face on it and stick it in the center of the leaves. Now take some green leaf to make the real leaf of the plant. Take a leaf, cut it from the center like this and stick it as the ground on the sheet. Now take some leaves and arrange them in perpendicular manner, making some scales on those leaves and stick the eyes. Yes, these are the chickens standing on one another. Wow, they are standing so cutely. Now add some detail to the background. Take a circle, make the eye on it, add some blush and a big mouth. Now take strips of red and orange color and make the rays. Thanks for watching.